A live look from the Valley Skycam westbound on Interstate 94. A lot of heavy traffic, which is typical for this hour of the day, and the road's kind of shiny out there. That wind kind of causing some flakes to blow across the roads, keeping it wet, slippery in spots, so be careful. Sidewalks, particularly on the slippery side, as you're wandering around this evening. Use a little extra time or caution as you're walking on the sidewalks. 20 degrees right now as our temperatures continue to warm up. It feels like 4 though, because these winds, they just won't quit. 29-mile-per-hour gusts out of the south-southeast, the latest measurement at Hector. Here's a look at temperatures. Coolest where you see the pink hues here out in central Minnesota, where we have mid-teens there. The warmth to the south and west where it is 27 in Gwinnett, 21 Langdon, 19 Grand Forks here. Temperature this hour in Wahpeton, 21. Factor in the winds, and it's generally single digits either side of zero for most of us until we get out to the far west. And that's where this warm bubble of air is coming from. Burping out of the central Rockies is some 60-degree air heading through Denver, pushing into the western portions of Nebraska and South Dakota. Right on our doorsteps is this warmer air, and finally this blob of cold, crisp air starting to slowly shift off to the east. So our forecast not looking too bad as we got warmer air trying to punch in, but it comes with growing pains. Those clouds moving our way and some showers of snow on the boundary between this warmer air and cooler stuff that's poised right over north central Minnesota. So hit and miss flakes of snow mainly in the eastern half of North Dakota for this evening. A closer look showing we get snow showers right here along the South Dakota border up towards northern parts of Richland County. Also in the James River Valley from Jamestown right up through Devil's Lake, a few snow showers, not all of which are reaching the ground, but some of which could, and create some slippery conditions. Hour by hour forecast shows that as we go through the evening, the south winds continue. Temperatures will be fairly steady as we go through the evening hours, even into the overnight. Then as we set things into motion overnight, the snow chances increase as we go towards daybreak. This means drive time flakes of snow for many of us from Highway 200 south to the I-94 corridor. So give yourself some extra time and just know that even a few flakes can make things a little on the slippery side as you're heading out the door on your way to work or school. Temperatures not far from where they are right now. And in fact, in central Minnesota, your temperatures could continue to slowly rise towards daybreak. Tomorrow, that warm air, is it coming? No, look at the direction of the winds from the northwest. We're going to usher some more Canadian air our way, so we're not going to get real warm for your Wednesday, but it will be warmer than today. Just remember, a little wind chilly. So it starts out your day in Fargo with a few flakes, potentially slippery roads and low 20s. Warm it up into the mid 20s. That's about all we'll do. Wind northwesterly tomorrow as opposed from today's warmer southerly winds at around 10 to 20 miles per hour, cooling in your evening. 19 your afternoon temperature in Langdon. Your car's thermometer in Valley City will say 23 on your way home from work, and we're expecting similar temperatures in those low 20s across Lakes Country for your midweek day. Take a look at this shot as the lake begins to ice up a little bit out there at Otter Tail. Thanks, Jim, for sharing your sunrise photo. Now let's talk a little bit in detail about this planning forecast, because we do have some smiley weather that's warmer than we've been for some time, and it begins really on Thursday. We can enjoy mid-30s out there. It'll feel awesome just because of where we've been, single digit and near 0 degree readings in the morning. Friday, more nice weather, but it will be breezier. A spotty chance at some showers Saturday, not a big deal the way things are looking right now. In fact, some of us with temperatures near 40 could see a mix of precipitation as we look at your weekend planner. Sunday, breezy 38, so still mild. Our next significant chance of moisture appears to be into the middle of next week. We're eyeballing a system that really begins late Tuesday and into Wednesday. But look at these temperatures through the period. Not too bad there. Once we get through the next 24 hours or so, Andrea, flaky overnight and for the morning commute. Keep that in mind. After that, the best I can do. That's supposed to be a glorious weather planner.
I gotcha. Yeah.
Okay,
I mean, that's more like it, right?
I like
it. More average for this time of year.
A little closer to better.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.